I'm Mikaley Roberts.
I'm Eliza Escamilla.
Jacob Peckham.
And today we're going to be teaching the third grade TEKS objectives over number 3, number and operations. The student applies mathematical process standards to represent and explain fraction units. The student is expected to C. Explain the unit fraction 1 over b represents the quantity formed by one part of a whole that has been partitioned into b equal parts where b is a non-zero whole number. And 9. Personal financial literacy. The student applies mathematical process standards to manage one's financial resources effectively for lifetime financial security. The student is expected to E. List reasons to save and explain the benefit of a saving plan, including for college.
I'm going to be demonstrating parts of a whole. I'm going to use army men for this demonstration. So right now, Alex has 3 army men. If I take 1, that means I have 1/3. How many do you have, Alex?
2/3.
Okay, I'm going to give this to Mason. So now, Mason, how many do you have?
5.
Okay, now give 2 to Tanner. How many do you have left?
3/5.
Okay, Tanner, how many do you have?
I have 8.
Okay, give half of yours to Mason. Now how many do you have left?
4/8.
Perfect. Now Eliza's going to use a different kind of demonstration to teach y'all more about fractions.
So each student is going to get one piece of construction paper. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to fold your piece of construction paper in half hot dog style. Okay, now open your piece of paper up, grab a marker and draw a line down the middle. Okay, on one side, write 1 hole. Okay, now Mason, take yours and fold it in half, and then fold it in half again twice. Tanner, do the same, but you're going to do 4 times. And then Alex, do the same, but you're going to do 8 times. Once you've got that done, go ahead and mark your lines that you've made. And label each box the fraction that would be. So, Mason, what would yours be if you had 1 out of the 4 boxes you had?
1/4.
Okay. Okay, once you have that, go ahead and cut your lines so that they are apart like this. Good job. Okay, so Tanner, how many little pieces do you have?
I have 8.
Okay, is that equivalent to the other side?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
have 13.
13? Okay, so one of those pieces, how many out of 13?
And 113.
Okay. So what you'll have now is a sheet you're going to take for homework, and the top section gives you a picture, and it gives you 3 choices, and you have to pick the correct choice on which fraction it is. So you just circle the answer. And then the bottom section gives you a picture, and it gives you a shaded region, and you need to write what fraction the shaded region is. Got it? Okay.
Okay, we're going to talk about reasons to save and why it's important. It's important to start healthy saving habits at an early age. Learning to budget can sound complicated, but really just takes the money that you earn and it really creates a plan for how you're going to spend it. Kids can earn additional money by doing chores. What are some chores maybe you can do to earn some money?
Mow the lawn.
Mow the lawn, good.
Take out the trash.
Laundry.
Laundry, that's good. I have a couple other examples such as babysitting, maybe walking dogs, mowing lawns like he said, even washing your parents' cars or the neighbors. So I really believe that when you work for this money, from doing these examples, you'll really understand the true value of a dollar. Money from these chores can be used for everyday purchases. What are some things that you want to buy every day?
Video games.
Typically, video games, good.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Teddy bears.
Teddy bears, of course. I got examples, the toys, the clothes that you mentioned, the school snacks, if you want to buy some cookies or ice cream after you eat. All right, naturally it's difficult to delay gratification. Do y'all know what that means when I say it's hard to delay gratification? What I really mean is that when we receive money, it's in our nature to instantly want to spend it right away. Things that are more expensive, such as video games, we might not be able to make that just, from a weekly allowance. We'll have to save for it. So that comes into proper budgeting. Saving for a long time takes discipline, but also creates a sense of accomplishment once you've reached that goal. So when y'all get old enough, for college, that's another goal that's long term, and it's going to take, more budgeting and saving, for these expensive purchases in the future. For you guys, I did a couple worksheets. And what these worksheets say, Mikaley, it says is we save $30 and we're ready to go shopping. And it's got a list of different items that we can choose. So I'm going to have these guys pick out a few things. There's 6 different rows, and y'all can pick out one row of 3 different items that y'all want to get. And after that, if we can total all up and see how we did. All right, Mason, what'd you pick?
I picked the 5th row with the truck, teddy bear, and soccer ball, and that came to $24.
All right, do you have any money left over, Mason?
I should have $6 left over.
Good. So that $6 can be, used for something later on in the future. Okay, Tanner, what you got there?
I picked the first row with the soccer ball and the doll and the teddy bear. And I only spent $12.
Okay, and do you have any money left over?
I have $18 left over.
All right. And Alex?
I picked the 3rd row with the toy truck, the yo-yo, and the doll, and that was $19. And I have 11 left over.
Great. Now everyone's got what they want, and this is just a small example of how to budget.